Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into another episode with GabeatLamesaRV. If you haven't been here before, welcome in for the first time. We're out here at Sloan Park in Mesa, Arizona. We're doing a big RV show here. We have over 250 units out here. We have B vans on the Promaster. We have B vans out here on the Sprinter adventure vans along with luxury. Then we have the gas class C's, new and used, guys. We have the Sprinter C's, new and used. We have the Ford Super C's, new and used. We have the Freightliner Super C's, new and used. We have the diesel pushers, guys, new and used, lots and lots of inventory there. Gas class A's, new and used, lots of inventory there as well. Everything you see here, guys, we have window prices on the windshield, nothing hidden. We're not working off of MSRP. These are going to be the most competitive pricing across the country, okay? So please push me on that, and we can do some checking, you know, we can look around. So today we're going to take a look at the brand new Integra Expanse. If you have not seen it before, they do make a 21B model that we were used to, but this is the all new 21T. And this is going to be something special, guys, because they came in with a twin bed rear bath floor plan, guys, which we have been looking for a long time. And the reason I say that is there's not a lot on the Ford all-wheel drive platform. We do have them on the Ram Promaster platform, like a Winnebago Travato, an Integra Ethos, a Sequence, a Tellaro, stuff like that, right? We do have it in that. And this is why I think this is going to be super important to check out something like this. And it goes along with our pricing, and that's why I would make that jump. So this is a huge deal, and not every dealership is going to give you this price, okay? You have a Ford all-wheel drive platform here, 310 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque, okay? So it's going to give you a lot more power, and you're working off a 33% discount already off of MSRP. Okay, so I know a lot of people say that MSRP doesn't matter. I get that, but what matters is the difference there. What we're going off of MSRP down to our sale price is going to be the most competitive across the whole country. So that's what you want to compare, guys, not just, you know, what they're giving you for trade or anything like that. Okay, so that's my spiel. So let's go into this thing. If you come in here, you have the van with the fridge right here, and this is going to be kind of like a first look around as well. I've kind of gone through this a little bit, but we're going to kind of do a little bit longer video. But we just got these in 2 days ago. Okay, so now you have more headspace up here, especially for my taller gentlemen that want to get in. You have more headspace to get in. You do have, I love the aux button down here, so that's nice to have. Most vans have that, but that's something I do like. This does have the 360 cameras, all the safety assistance that you need, all the power that you need. Like I said, all-wheel drive. So like a Travato goes for, I don't know, 130 plus. I think I said it earlier. So you're looking at 130 plus. For $10,000 more with us, you're gonna get a Ford all-wheel drive. That's already huge. It already beats, like, that's worth the jump in my eyes. Okay, so let's take a look. Great chassis up front, great drive. If you've never driven a Ford all-wheel drive, it's an amazing drive. All right, the other thing here that we're gonna take a look at, all the drawers that you have, you get an induction top. Look at all these drawers. That's a deep one. Huge space there. Look at that. You can put your wastebasket there. This does have a 2,000 watt inverter, so I believe you would be able to run that induction top off of that at least. You do have, everything runs off of gas here, so your generator is going to be a 2800 gas generator, and then your Truma Combi is going to be a G, which will run off the gas. Okay, so you have your microwave up front. I love the countertop space. Guys, you have all this, and you have this. You want to put your coffee maker there or anything there. You got a TV there. You can still set some other stuff here. So Firefly system, everything's on here. Generator's brand new, so it's running right now. Okay, and then look all the way across the top, storage all the way across. All right, so very similar to the Travato, but now you're getting more. Sorry, it sounds like a Travato beatdown video, but it's not. It's more of a Promaster twin bed, which I love too. But if you're willing to spend more money by a little bit, this will get you a lot more. So back here is going to be where you can run your wiring, because The only option on this coach is Starlink. This doesn't have Starlink on here, but it is prepped, so you can run your wires through here. And I believe it has like a 12 volt setup that you can connect as well. Okay, so you can do 110 and 12 volt. This does make into a big bed. Okay, your length on this thing is going to be 23 by 76 twins. So like the Travato, they're kind of offset, and one bed is longer than the other. This is going to be the same length across, and it makes for lots of bedding when you want to put it together if you need to. You have 2 seat belts here. I love the shades here. Day and night shades right there. So super nice to have. You have them at every window. Got the AC going right now. And then the TV here is awesome to have. So let's take a look. I'll set up the bed for you. Okay, so that's kind of what the setup is. I didn't do it perfect, but you put those cushions in correctly and look how much space you have. I personally will tell people just leave them as twins. If you need to go to the bathroom, now you're not butt scooting it out to the bathroom in the middle of the night. So, but if you do need to, if you want to do like a, get together, and not just mom and dad, guys, but I'm saying like if the kids want to sleep with you and you all want to cuddle together, then do that. If not, go get yourselves a hotel room. All right. So, but no, it does make for a lot of space there if you need it. If you want to kick back and watch a movie, now you have all that space. But yeah, my preference, or what I would tell people, is just leave them as twins, get up and go to the bathroom. Okay, so as we come along, you do have a Carefree awning on the outside. And then, like I said, in the back, I love this little feature that they added, is that your bath now, your curtain only runs the back wall here, because they made this waterproof, and this door now is waterproof. Okay, so after you have a waterproof door, there is storage in here as well. Let's take a look at that. So you have storage in here. You can close this and have this be waterproof. You still get your, your typical sink here, toilet here, and then more storage back over here. Okay, you got a little light up top as well. So lots of space here. Instead of having that curtain wrap around, kind of stick to your butt, you're not going to have that problem anymore. You'll have a little bit more space. Okay, so that's a big sell factor for me. You got all your stuff out here, your solar, your cable input, your power, black tank flush along with the city wire connection, and then this is going to be your exhaust for your heat. Okay, so guys, that is just a little bit of what I got going on with the Integra Expanse. I think it's a great coach, guys. Something to look at if you're in the market for a van. This is going to give you more power. This is going to give you a little bit more comfort, more storage. You're gonna love it, guys. All right, so give me a shout with any questions. Would love to help out. Thank you guys so much. Hit the like button, follow me, and make sure that you stay tuned here, because we're gonna have a lot more inventory here to show in the future. LaMesaRV is the place you want to go to when it comes to getting the best value for what you're buying. All right, thank you guys so much. See you guys next time. Hey, thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, guys. I'm going to do more videos on a lot more of our product. As you've seen, we have a ton of product, guys, and we have the best prices. I'm going to continue to reiterate that we have the best prices in the country, guys. So if you have any questions, if you want to do a FaceTime with me, please feel free to reach out, call or text, guys. I will be honest with you the whole step of the way, and I will take care of you guys all the way through the process. Whether you're at the beginning right now and have research questions, or you're having trouble with your own dealership, let me know. I will tell you how it goes down here. Super easy. And my favorite part about this job is making the connections with the customers, and I have a bunch of Facebook friends that are just customers. So it's a ton of fun for me, guys. Give me a shout with any questions. Would love to meet you guys. Thank you guys so much. Until next time.